Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add extra sheets on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To add the sheet, first of all, I just going to open Excel here. So after opening the Excel on the WPS spreadsheet, so I just open a blank document here. So actually there will be a 3 sheets on the basic. So if you just need a 10 sheet, you just need to click on this plus symbol on the top. You can see this symbol. Click on this plus symbol. You can see the sheet has been added 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just added up to 10 sheet. You can just drag it like this and you can see how many sheets you have. And if you just don't want some sheets, you can just still edit it, and you can just click on this sheet and you can see another property like delete option. You can delete it, or you can just rearrange the sheet. So if you just need more sheets, click on this plus symbol. That's it. This is how you just add more sheets on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.